And then we add 10 to both sides. So what will the answer be?
Huh? Oh, sorry, what was the question?
Annabelle, what's going on?
Well, I just thought that since it's Halloween, we weren't going to have tutoring today.
Oh, I see. You wanted to go trick or treating. Hmm. Do you like Skittles?
Oh, yes, I love Skittles. Except for the purple ones, those are gross.
Okay, how about this? Every time you get a problem wrong, I have to eat a purple Skittle.
And what if I get it right?
Well, then I eat one of your favorite ones.
Oh,
Would you rather me eat the purple ones when you get problems right?
no. No, it's okay. You can eat whichever ones you want.
Whichever ones I want. Uh, are you sure?
Yeah, go ahead, it's fine.
If you insist.